Transform your home with the magic of light. Watch as ordinary sunlight hits your window and bursts into a dazzling show of vibrant rainbows, filling your room and even your furry friends with color and wonder. Introducing Volcanics 3D window film. It's the perfect blend of privacy and beauty. From grand arched windows to simple fun decals, it instantly turns any glass into a work of art. Create a private oasis in your bathroom, blocking prying eyes without sacrificing soft, natural light. See the difference. Go from plain harsh glass to a soft, private view that dances with color. It's a simple, stylish update for any room. And yes, it's pet approved. Brighten your living space and think beyond the window. The magic doesn't stop when the sun goes down. At night, it shimmers beautifully from indoor lights. You can even add a unique, colorful touch to your car's sunroof for a ride like no other. Welcome bursts of color into every corner, from your front door to your kitchen. And with multiple styles to choose from, like our elegant frosted film, you can find the perfect level of privacy for any space. Get creative on windows, doors, or even furniture. It's more than just window film. It's a new way to see your home. Volcanics. Elevate your space.